Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and save files from Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the activity, the community, and the chat and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download and save files from Microsoft Teams. So first of all, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser. Go to the chat or channel where the file is of course located. When you went to the chat where the file is located, hover over the file. And then when you did that, click on three dots, ellipsis, and select download. After you click download, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. And then of course, just go and click save. So basically it is that simple. You just need to go and follow those 4 steps that I have just told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.